AI is replacing cashiers, copywriters, even parts of nursing. But there's one career people keep asking me about: occupational therapy. So let's answer the big question once and for all. Is OT a safe, future-proof career in the age of AI? The truth might surprise you. Right now, over 300 million jobs worldwide are predicted to be impacted by automation. Algorithms document faster. Robots lift patients. Software predicts medical conditions. So naturally, students, career changers, and even seasoned clinicians are wondering, will AI replace occupational therapists? Let's break this down without the hype. AI is already transforming rehab. Here's what AI can do really well: draft SOAP notes and evaluations, predict patient outcomes, automate scheduling and billing, provide virtual reminders and exercise prompts, assist with documentation compliance. In other words, AI is coming for the paperwork. And honestly, most therapists are cheering. But here's what AI still cannot do, and might never do: build trust with a family, understand cultural nuance, navigate complex human emotions, motivate a depressed patient, problem-solve in unpredictable environments, perform hands-on interventions, or adapt treatment instantly when a patient cries, resists, or regresses. Occupational therapy is deeply human. It's not just exercises. It's empathy, communication, and clinical reasoning, the exact areas AI struggles with most. So, AI can't do the core job, but how does the threat of automation change the career landscape? In Part 2, we tackle the real answer: why OT is uniquely AI-resistant, and the massive opportunities you can capitalize on. No, AI won't replace OT. But therapists who learn how to use AI will absolutely replace therapists who don't. The future OT is efficient, tech-savvy, and emotionally intelligent. Imagine documenting in minutes, using AI-based clinical decision support, tracking progress through smart sensors. AI won't compete with you. It will upgrade you. OT combines high human interaction, critical thinking, creativity, adaptability, physical presence, emotional intelligence. These are the most difficult tasks for artificial intelligence to replicate. This is why therapy, caregiving, and skilled trades are consistently listed as AI-resistant professions. And here's the part most people miss. OTs who understand AI will not just survive. They'll earn more, stand out more, and open new career doors: AI-enhanced private practice, remote rehab and telehealth, consulting for care facilities, documentation automation services, home modifications, plus smart home integration, assistive technology specialization. This is the new frontier for OT. So, is occupational therapy a good career in the age of AI? Absolutely. Not because it avoids technology, but because it embraces it while staying rooted in something no machine can replace: human connection. OT is not dying. OT is evolving. If you're thinking about OT as a career, or you're already a therapist trying to stay ahead of burnout, documentation, or AI changes, make sure you subscribe. I post weekly videos to help you navigate the future of healthcare with confidence. See you in the next video.